Hello guys, SPC Nickfit and Arnold Drew here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Midland WR400. Wait, this is the wrong box. Get off here. Anyways, today we're going to be unboxing the Midland WR400. So we'll take a look at the box first. Weather alert radio. Simple, easy to program, or whatever. I'm just gonna unbox it right now. I'm gonna unbox all the other stuff first. I'll save the best for last. Alright, so here's a manual. It's pretty nice. This is the AC adapter. Oh my god, it's so hard with the radio there. Or you know what, I'll just take the radio out. I'll take the radio out and then just get the AC adapter. Alright, so there's the AC adapter. This is sort of large, but it's alright. That reminds me to get some batteries. I'll be right back. So you may have noticed that the camera has moved because the tripod for some reason fell. But anyways, here are the batteries. Let's just untie this this thingy. I don't know what it's called. Somebody tell me in the comments. Hopefully we don't tangle this thing. I don't want it to end up like the WR100. And like I said, I've saved the best for last. This is a nice looking radio, in my opinion. Alright, so most EAS fans press all of the buttons to wish the radio good luck. I forgot to do that in all of my radio unboxings, so I'm just gonna do this for the WR400. Alright, I hope the seller did not put the batteries already. It better not have batteries. Thank God. Alright, so now let's put the batteries in. Yes, I have radio vac batteries. I don't know why I just got the Publix batteries. I guess they're just closer. Alright, we power up the radio in 3, 2, 1. Alright, this is the best screen. It looks way better in real life. I think I'm just gonna leave the brightness like, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it like this actually. Alright, so let's set language. English. Set location. Any. Set time. Set an hour. Oh frick. Hold on.
At Naples, cloudy.
That's a nice speaker quality. Saving.
Jacksonville, most.
Alright, I'm just gonna set time. Right now it's 12 p.m. It's 12:33 p.m. Hold on. Now 12:34. Alright. So, I guess that's it. This is the unboxing of the WR400. That's not the end of this video, actually. I'm just gonna move this Midland WR120 and I'll put the 400 here. Hold on, let me do some stuff. Alright, so I'm done moving the collection. I don't know where to put this WR200 or 210. Anyways, the antenna also feels a bit weak. I don't know why. But anyways, that's the end of the unboxing. I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, I just noticed that some people's AC adapter was a micro USB cable. Mine was a regular adapter for some reason.